0 feet altitude, 10 feet distance, 7 miles per hour, 98% battery.
Get a good focus before I start the mission. I ain't gonna run that mission again I ran yesterday to the cemetery, but I'm not gonna go quite as far. I focused on that cell tower. Hopefully.
396 feet altitude, 60 feet distance, 7 miles per hour.
I keep a good picture.
92% battery.
Now, another reason why I'm flying right now, I wasn't gonna come out, but I was comparing this drone to my the other one I have, the Mavic. We're both Mavic Pros, but the other one, the camera works functions perfectly, and I don't have any issues with picture wobbling. So I put them side by side, and I was checking the camera out, and kind of by default, this one kind of flops to the side. So I looked at it, and I'm like messing around. I'm like, wait a second, this one ribbon isn't lined up as like the other one is. So I tweaked it a little bit. Now I'm trying it out, but I'm pretty much convinced now it's the ribbon, because the one that's working well.
399 feet altitude, 1,310 feet distance, 21 miles per hour, 87% battery.
That's not giving me any wobbling. I got that one from Amazon, from a totally different seller. And this one, the last three I bought from a seller on eBay because they're a little cheaper. So yeah, by saving myself $2-3, I'm shooting myself in the fucking foot. If anybody's wondering, that big steam thing down there, that's a power plant down by the river. It's not a fire. Flying into the sun, this part. Yeah, doing the same mission I did yesterday, just shortened it up a little because I lost contact. I don't want that to happen.
399 feet altitude, 3,187 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 82% battery.
I only lost contact for like 30 seconds, but I don't want to lose contact at all. I just flew a couple hours ago, and I had wobbling in the picture. And I'm like, why is it doing this? So hopefully, and I can't tell again, like, I can't tell till I look at the video if it actually did wobble or not. You can't tell from the phone screen. So hopefully this one, see, it looks good now, but to me on the screen, but that doesn't mean anything. We're at sunset right now.
(399 feet altitude, 5,197 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 77% battery.
There's no wind right now, which is nice. Had a little bit of a breeze yesterday and this afternoon. I don't know if I can get the sky, but it's a really cool looking sky. Cool sunset.
399 feet altitude. 6,712 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 73% battery.
That's right about the furthest point out right now. This is doing better than yesterday because I think I was around 50% battery at this point because of the wind yesterday. It took a while to get out there. So it's just going to kind of skim over this cornfield. Come back. And I'm hoping there's no wobbling in that picture. Ah, there's some hood rats down there. I was going to go to the cemetery, but by the time I got there, it would have been too dark, probably.
400 feet altitude. 7,850 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 68% battery.
I was getting a obstruction error. That's strange. It was just sitting there too. It wasn't wanting to move. That's why I didn't want to go out of range. In case something stupid like that happened. "24 miles an hour. Good. Signal's a little weak, but still got it.
"399 feet altitude. 8,026 feet distance. 14 miles per hour. 65% battery."
Pretty good. That was the last turn. "15 miles an hour wind. It's hitting a little headwind. It's not that bad though. It's hard to judge the picture right now. "60% battery."
"399 feet altitude. 6,643 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 59% battery."
God damn, I'm trying to find my other glove. I can't. My pocket's ripped on this stupid coat. My gloves flop all over the place.
"399 feet altitude. 5,121 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 54% battery."
Oh, I dropped it on the ground. No wonder. It would have sucked. Put in, look down. It's gonna warm the car up and get it running. It's so cold. Put the heat on blast.
299 feet altitude. 3,613 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 47% battery.
Got a little battery to kill. So keep my fingers crossed I don't have any wobbling in the picture. See, it might be wobbling there, I can't tell. Don't know.
$399 feet altitude. 2,165 feet distance.
Looking for it. Good light. Pretty cool effect on the clouds with the sun bouncing off. I'll take a look when I get over my head. Should be here in a minute. That's the church right there in the middle. That's where I am. I don't see it yet. Usually I can hear it first.
399 feet altitude. 597 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 37% battery.
I don't see it. It's almost... There it is. Right over my head now.
Mission ended.
Hopefully I can get a shot of the skyline. Yeah, that's how it looks from here. They're all orange. Really cool.
399 feet altitude. 20 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 32% battery.
Neat. Start coming down. Do an auto landing.
260 feet altitude. 1,186 feet distance. 21 miles per hour. 26% battery.
Use up a little battery for effect.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Nice colors, huh? You could probably hear that car go by on the mic. All right.
Warning, aircraft battery at 22%.
So it should land now.
281 feet altitude. 2 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 20% battery.
Letting it land.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%. Warning,
Nice
aircraft
flight.
battery at 16%.
Shut up. I wanted to slap down on the ground because I switched into GPS mode, or out of GPS mode, into sport mode and back and forth while I was coming down, so it kind of didn't like that. Got pissed at me and tried to slam it to the ground, but I stopped it. That's a nice picture. Look at that.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%.
Turn it just a little bit. That'll make a nice still. Send that into the news channel. Alright, decent flight. I'm freezing, D-Dub out.